Yo, what is up, my Shadow Army? It is I, Shadow Critias, back again with another Chainsaw Man What If reaction commentary review video. So yesterday, I'm going to give you guys my commentary, my review, and my reaction to this What If scenario that I came across. It was uploaded by a YouTuber named Chainsaw Fan, who split this video into 3 parts, and is a fan-made AI manga of this scenario, and that is, what if Denji returns to the past? Basically, you know, his minds, his memories, his conscience got returned back to the past in the events of the Reze arc, when, you know, the scene where Reze and Denji had their talk about, you know, want to run away. And at first I thought it was just a fan-made manga, until I look at the description that it is a fan-made AI manga, and I was like, there is no fucking way. It looks so good. It looks so real. And it looks so like Fujimoto's art. His drawing is so real. Like, holy shit. And then I do not own the video footage of the uploader that uploaded by Chainsaw Fan, who uploads 3 parts, like I said. I'll have the link, all 3 parts, down below the description box, so you guys can watch them for yourself. And I do not own the manga, fan-made AI manga. It was created by this Instagram user right here, and this is his English translate, and his main account is basically Japanese version. So if you guys want to read both the English version and the Japanese version, go follow him on Instagram. So yeah, the fan-made AI manga was made by him, and he's a shipper, which I respect that, and I do ship Denji and Reze, so this video actually caught my attention. So yeah, I am very interested to review and discuss about this. Another thing, I want to make this clear. I have the audio sound of the original video off because, well, music and the theme song of the Reze is in it, so I do not want to risk it to get copyright claim or copyright strikes or get the video taken down. So it's best, if you guys want to watch the original video with the music, go check them out. So basically, I'm just be watching and give my thoughts and opinions. There's 3 parts. I'm going to react to all 3 of them. So basically, it's like 15 minutes and 50 seconds long. But I don't know how long this video will be for, you know, reviewing and give my thoughts and my commentary on it. So I just want to make that very, very clear in this video. So I don't know how long this video will be. So you guys have been warned. So with that out of the way, let's just go ahead and dive right into it. Okay, here's part 1. Like I said, the audio is off because, like I said, I don't want to get no copyright or get this video taken down. So I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's just go ahead. Okay, so basically Denji visiting the grave. Jeez. Okay, if I had to guess, this basically takes place right after part 2. Because it showed everyone that Denji has lost. Yeah, that kind of makes a little more sense. Alright, the fact he said, I can live a better life than now. There's nobody left now. Maybe if I can go back. So basically, his wish came true, and his mind, his memory and conscience have returned back to the past, to the Reze arc. Again, it looks so real. Just wow. And the one thing I like how Denji's like, I was completely an idiot in the past. Like, the sight in front of me is way clearer than my foggy memories. This isn't an illusion or a dream. This is reality. I won't make the same mistake again. See, the fact that Denji made the first move and is like, yeah, I want to make the same mistake. So basically, this is actually very, very interesting. And, like, I don't know what to say. It's just the art looks so real. And the fact Denji actually succeed everything, like, okay, now he's accept Reze to be his own girl. And so Reze doesn't die, so which is very interesting. I mean, she never fulfilled her plans. That's very interesting, to say the least. And see them two together, and the fact that Makima is watching everything. And the fact that she's telling Reze after everything that happened, like, wait, those words, what, this feeling of deja vu? Denjiku, you leave me, right? Oh boy. Again, like, the art looks so real. Just the fact that he's preventing here's the thing, I like this. When Denji was like, oh wait, I heard a family's supposed to have the same last name. Wait, I don't have a last name. I got it. Aki has a last name. Yeah, oh god. Yaki, oh wow. It's been a long time I said Aki's last name. So the fact that Denji decided to take Aki's last name, which he kind of did in the actual manga, like he did take Aki's last name of his own, because he does consider Aki as a brother. And the fact that Denji decided to propose to Reze, that's saying something. Okay, I'm about to say, what the fuck? Again, it's so fascinating that Denji actually prevents everything that's happening between him and Reze. And the fact that him and Reze are basically official, just wow. Even Reze started to get a bit of a suspicious, like, something's odd about him. Even she wasn't like, what the hell? Again, I'm still puzzled that how is this a AI manga? This felt so real. Like, holy shit. And the fact that Denji is telling Reze all about this. The fact that Denji telling Reze that, yeah, I know who you are. You're the bomb devil. You are orphan like me. You were assigned to kill me. But you're also my first love. I know I'm acting different than usual. I promise I'll explain everything soon. So please just wait a bit. Alright? I'll trust you, Denji-kun. the fact that Denji, like, I want to tell you, but you might think I'm crazy. Like, literally. And the fact we see them to training, that is very interesting. Like, it would make sense that Redsley does have the experience of fighting. Says a lot. Just, wow. And the fact that he's like, so this is where you've been hiding, Denji. Hey, Sensei. And with the sort of bomb, no less. Don't worry, I'm just here to answer your... And the fact that he could figure out of everything, like, oh boy. Reality, I guess. Jeez. Okay, that's part one. All in all, this actually is a good way to start the scenario. You know, Denji got a second chance to not making the same mistake again. And it's really emotional. Like, we get to see Denji and Reze build up of their relationship. And then the next part where things Denji act. So he could prevent anything to happening. Oh boy. What makes you think this is still your home? Oof. Damn. Yeah, I mean, it would make sense they would be mad. But yeah. Yeah. Seeing Reze know how to cook. I mean, well, she does work in the fast food or something restaurant before. Oh god. The fact that Power is started to afraid Reze. Like, now Power is afraid both Makima and Reze. Yeah, that would make sense. And here's the thing, in this image right here, when Denji said a broody little sister, a good big brother, and a lovable wife. Yeah. It just felt heartwarming. Like, now he has a chance. Like I said, he has a second chance to make this right. And now the only one is in his way is Makima. Now, the final boss. Almost like somebody might have been ruining it later on. I saw it and it feels like it's... Yeah. In that world, you killed Razor before she could reach the cafe. You turned Aki to a fiend. You killed Power, but your plan didn't work. You lost and I ate you. Yeah. Now Denji's like, yeah, I am not falling for your trick. Then bang, and the idea hit me. I figured out how I'd kill you. It's me, Denji. Planet is a go. Yep. The fact that Denji tells everyone that, yep, we're doing this. This place. Yep, the control devil lost all control over what's happened. Alright, Denji, it's all up to you. Now then, let's start the final boss fight. Control and Chainsaw. Yeah, this is actually it's really interesting. Like Denji's like want to be one step ahead of Makima. Damn. So why aren't you using his powers to erase me? Here's the thing. Yeah, Makima does kind of good. I said, like, if you knew what I was doing, why can't you use your true power? Just erase me. For my family. Family? Reze, Aki, and Power are all precious memories of my family, but Nayuta. Nayuta? A newborn control devil after you die. Yeah, now, that's basically the one last thing that Denji needs to his family is Nayuta. Family, an equal relationship. And seeing Makima cry, I think that's something that she didn't had and never had. And she wants to take that away from Denji because he was getting everything that he wanted because she wants only Pochita and that's it. And that's what are you doing now? I have canceled my contract with the Prime Minister. If you kill me now, I'll die for real. So basically Makima just submitted and gave up because I mean she does lose against Denji. So and basically Denji just beat Makima's game in this scenario. Be one step ahead of her. Give her what I couldn't have. Yeah, that is kind of when Makima said this is my contract, give her a life that I couldn't have. And then she's like, I will, I promise. And kills Makima right there and then. Close her eyes and Makima only gave a smile. That's kind of sad. Like, well, I mean, then again, she kind of deserved it, but at the same time, you actually felt sad for her. Like, she did ruin Denji's life. But like I said, since Denji hasn't had a chance, he could prevent everything from falling. So, yeah. Now, the next part is the final part of this scenario. And it's really good. Now here we are, Nayuta. Basically, if you think about it, Denji and Reze are now adopted Nayuta as their own child. So, you could say a happy family, so to speak. Aki is like the uncle, and Power is like the auntie. So, yeah. So, hell, if you think about it, like I said, I think in this scenario, Denji and Reze now married. They're basically having Nayuta as their adopted daughter in this scenario. So, kind of what makes sense, which makes Aki the uncle and Power the auntie. So, Denji actually prevents everything. He saved Power, Aki, Reze, and Nayuta. So, basically nothing happens afterwards. Just, damn. Just, I'm still like lost for words. Like, how is this made an AI? It looks so Fujimoto's art style. Like, I don't understand. How is this a AI manga? The fact that he memorized my Makima, but hell, even the day after Bucky's death. Okay, so basically Denji never come across Asa. I mean, I think he would become friends with Asa in this, but have no grown attachment or feelings to her, which means she will not be possessed by the War Devil. Oh shit. Huh. Oh, they actually does save Asa as well, so they actually prevented that. That's a good thing. Jeez, one big happy family, huh? I don't know why. I just felt heartwarming at this point. That's why I'm basically completely silent at this point. Because I'm just... Now I'm sad. Like, come on. Why can't we have this? Like, give Denji a happy life. Stop being an idiot. And we having the ending between Denji and Reze. Yep. I'm sorry, I'm just like a bit silent. I'm just like enjoying this. Just just I think that's the best way to end the story there, where it all started. And just Denji gets the happy ending in this scenario. Just I and the fact that they both get a happy ending. Like, it literally says right here, what if Denji returned to the past? The end. Just wow. This is actually is amazing. A what if scenario, and the best way to end it for a happy ending. I have to give a shout out to him because this is actually really well done for a AI fan-made manga. And like I said, if you guys want to watch the original video without my commentary, go check those out. Because, like I said, I don't want to get copyrighted or get this video taken down or whatever. So, again, this man knows what he was doing. And I can tell he wrote the story and used AI generator to make it happen. And it is so good. Like, this might be my favorite what ifs of Denji by far. It's just, I wish we could have more Chainsaw Man what ifs. And this one's actually my personal favorite. Just a happy ending scenario for Denji. If he prevents everything from happening, got with the woman that was really right in front of him that accepted who he is, and everyone he cared and loved lived. Reze, Power, Aki, Nayuta, and Asa. So, I mean, like I said, even though Denji will never have the same connection with Asa in this scenario because, well, he's engaged with Reze, so there's that. And I do like how Denji and Nayuta are basically seeing Nayuta as their adopted daughter instead of like a sibling. Because part 2, Denji sees Nayuta as a little baby sister. But in a scenario, Denji and Reze are together, married. They actually see her as their daughter. And that makes Aki as an uncle and Power as a auntie. So, yeah. Hell, this man literally makes them Denji and in different world. Like, one from Bleach. One from Cyberpunk Edge Runner. Attack on Titan. And Naruto. I think there's one more. So yeah, like I said, this guy really does love the Denji and Reze shipping, which again, I respect that and I understand why. And Reze is the best girl, and I do ship Denji and Reze fully because again, it makes it more sad and tragic for the actual main series, you know, the death of Reze, quote unquote. I mean, we do get to see her again when she's mind controlled by Denji. Not mind controlled by Denji. Mind controlled by Makima. But we're not going to see her in part 2. Hopefully, we get to see her in part 3. Please, God. Like, come on now. We know she's alive. And the fact that Denji is just cannot catch a break. He cannot have a happy ending. Like, come the fuck on. Give this man a break. And again, seeing Denji finally fix everything and saved everyone and have a second chance of having a life that he wanted, and he actually got it. And it's very, very heartwarming and kind of sad because you want this to happen in the actual show or the actual manga, but we all know that's never happened, and it's kind of sad in a way. But anyway, again, well done for the creator of the FanMade AIManga. It's actually really damn good. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Links to these videos will be down below the description box so you guys see the video for yourself. Links to my other social medias and my other channel will be down below the description box as well. You guys know the drill. Links to my Cash App, PayPal, Ko-fi will be down below the description box and in my bio if you guys want to donate to support the channel. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Kneel before, shout out Critias. I'll see you guys later.